In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Facebook Marketplace back, whether you've encountered issues accessing it or it's simply vanished from your account. I'll guide you through a straightforward process to reclaim this valuable feature. The first thing you want to do is check your eligibility. It's vital to ensure that you're actually in a country where Facebook Marketplace is available. For instance, if you're in the Philippines, you're in luck since it's supported there. Additionally, Facebook Marketplace is only accessible to users who are at least 18 years old. Age plays a crucial role in its availability, so double check your profile information. Moreover, make sure your Facebook account is active and in good standing, as any account restrictions can affect your marketplace access. Next, let's head over to the Account Quality Center on Facebook. You can get there by typing facebook.com/accountquality into your web browser's address bar. This is where you'll be able to see if there are any restrictions or violations connected to your marketplace usage. If you spot a request review button on this page, click it. This option allows you to follow the prompts and potentially resolve any issues directly. If you don't find much help there, another method is to appeal via a buy-sell group. Join any local buy-sell group on Facebook that fits your region. Once you're in, look at the top of the group page. Sometimes you might see a blue request review button here. Clicking it initiates the review process, allowing Facebook to reconsider your access to Marketplace. Make sure to give it some time, as the review process can take a bit. For those who prefer a more direct approach, you can attempt to access Marketplace by using it directly. Log into your Facebook account on a browser and go to facebook.com/marketplace. If any on-screen instructions pop up, follow those to verify your identity or location. These steps ensure that your account meets Facebook's criteria for accessing Marketplace. Finally, if none of these approaches work, reaching out to Facebook support is your best bet. Head over to the Facebook Help Center. Once there, you can search for options specifically related to reporting a problem or getting help with marketplace issues. From here, follow the given instructions to report your issue directly to Facebook. This could provide the assistance needed to resolve your problem once and for all. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to restoring your access to Facebook Marketplace. Each method offers a unique way to tackle the problem, ensuring you have several options at hand to get back onto Marketplace. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your efforts.